Just for the squeamish and weak of heart, I'm taking a picture of the thermometer outside that says it's 10 degrees.
Oh, it was 12 when I got up.
Yeah, it's dropping. And here's a picture of my wife who's about to start the wood stove. Oh, the joy. I'm going to walk outside and show you the Jeep. I was working on the Jeep yesterday and I was shooting some videos, but then I came inside, and on the way inside I ran into a spray can of paint and decided to squirt a little paint on those body panels that I've been putting on it for the last few days. And then it snowed last night, and the sun now is just coming up through the trees. If you look at it over there, you can see how beautiful it is. And of course that sunlight is going to splash all across everything here and make everything over here look beautiful. But I drove the Jeep. I'm saying all this to get around to this. I drove the Jeep to town last night. I had that doctor's appointment, and it did great, and I had an awesome time driving it. The heater worked super, and I squirted some paint that I had on this here, which is where I had those light green body panels that were made out of the side of that furnace. And just wanted to show you what it looks like right now. You can see that nice, clear, clean rocker panel underneath there where all the rust used to be. I got it sideways in the driveway last night. I started up the driveway and I was just going to see how far I could get without putting it in four-wheel drive, and I got halfway up and then I slid down, and when I slid down it got cockeyed in the driveway. And it doesn't really have the best tires on the back. I'm thinking about I got a couple of studded snows, and I don't know if these are 5-inch lug patterns on this like a Ford truck or not. They don't look like they are, but they might be. Am I missing a lug nut there? I'm missing a lug nut cover. I got lug nuts. I don't think that's a 5, but we'll see. But if it is, I could put them studded snows. I got a couple. I could put them on the back. And this is the other side. It still has the rubber on it, but I suspect that might be some rust under that rubber. I can see a little bit here on the back of that. I'll explore that for another day. But it was awesome driving the Jeep to town and back last night. So I walked out here in my short sleeves, and sometimes it's like getting out of a hot sauna and then jumping in a pool. For a second or two it feels okay, and then that's over. And you got to get back inside. That's what I'm going to now. Say good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Ooh. So, anytime Honey Baby's building a fire in the wood stove, that means it's going to be nice inside. And then when it's 10 degrees outside, that sun coming up. That's going to be good too. So, it's going to be fun to sit by the wood stove. Oh, see if she got any fire going yet. Probably down in the basement gathering up wood. Oh, I got a good wife. Bless her heart. Maybe I'll have to get some of that up the stairs.